Are you new on the Clickbank platform, or you've been looking for a solution of how to add your payment information in your Clickbank accounts? If yes, then this video is for you. So watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video you're going to discover how to add your payment information in your Clickbank account, so you can be able to withdraw your commissions once you're able to earn commissions on the Clickbank platform. Also, in this video you'll discover how to get a USD account, a Euros account, and a Pounds account, depending on which country's account you decide to create. Hello, this is Lokiato, and you're welcome to Digital Skills Academy Hub. If you're new to this channel, maybe you're just bumping into this channel newly, I'll advise you to subscribe to this channel, okay? Like our videos, share our videos, and also check the description below for valuable stuff that will help you make money online. So without wasting much time, let's head straight into it. Okay, so guys, like I said earlier, okay, I got a DM from one or two of my subscribers. They were actually asking me, hello Mr. Lucky, how can I get paid from Clickbank, or how can I add my payment details on Clickbank to for Clickbank to be able to pay me if I make commission on the platform. And I was like, they should not worry, I'll make a video about that and I'll post it so that they know how they can add their payment details on Clickbank. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video you will learn how to add your payment details on Clickbank so that you can get paid. You can actually get paid. Yeah, we are doing all this to get paid, and you're surely going to get paid if you work hard towards it. Again, wherever you're watching me from, I want to know wherever you're watching me from. Drop the name of the country below the comment section. Just tell me wherever you're watching me from, okay? I'm very interested to know where you're watching me from, guys. So let's get straight into it. So first thing first, like I tell you, always visit your IP sites, okay? IP checking sites, pixel scans as usual. All right, so you can see this IP is very good. Same thing, if this can pass, the IP can pass this, it can also pass IP pay. All right, so now let's hit our Clickbank account. Click on it. All right, okay, so now we're on Clickbank. All right, so we'll log in. Click on login. Okay, my details are already auto saved, so I'll just click on login. All right, so we are in our dashboard. This is our demo account, the accounts we use for all these video trainings that I'm making. All right, these are not my real accounts. Okay, yeah, these accounts we created together. So now to add your Clickbank details, okay, so now that you're logging into your account, all you just need to do is to head over to your username. Click on your username. All right, so you're in your main Clickbank account now, where you see this their old dashboard and the rest. Okay, so now I haven't updated this account email address. I'll confirm it later on. I'll confirm it. So the next place you need to do is to click on account settings. All right, so this is where you see all your informations and all that. Okay, this is your account information, payee name and all that. This is your address and all that. So this is where you see payment information, so you click on it. All right, so once you click on your payment information, you'll be able to add if you want to receive payment by check or by direct deposit. All right, so my preferred is direct deposit. Like this account that we created is an Austria account, and Austria accounts are among those countries that they pay Clickbank pay through direct deposit. Like we have Austria, we have Australia, we have Germany, we have Netherlands, we have Finland, we have Luxembourg, and then Belgium. Yeah, we also have Belgium that they pay through direct deposit, and these are all European countries. These are mostly European countries, and to be able to receive payment from a European country, you need a euros account. All right. So if you're from Nigeria, you're from Ghana, you can head over to grey.co and create an account with them, and you will get a free UK, you get a free pounds account, USD account, and then a euro account. Okay, you can also go to GigPay rather. You can go to gigpay.africa. Just search for gigpay.africa. So you can also go to gigpay.africa. Make sure you use your real IP, okay, not the IP that you're using to work with your Clickbank account. No, use, because you'll be providing your real information to them. So as you can see, GigPay is easily set up visual bank accounts. They'll give you a visual bank account that you can use to receive payments in USD, in GBP, in euros, and all that effortlessly. Okay, so but if you're from other country in Africa or other parts of the world, you can now go to Pioneer. You can see it there. So you can go to Pioneer. You can go to Pioneer and you create an account on Pioneer. Okay, just make sure you use your real IP. So once you get your receiving account details from either Pioneer, GigPay, or Grey.co, all you just need to is to come over to your Clickbank account and add the payment details. So you can choose to make your payment details a $50 threshold. You can make it $50 threshold, $250 threshold, $1,000. You can even up to $1 million. Yes, you can do it. People are making up to $1 million on Clickbank. If they can do it, you and I can also do it. Okay, so you choose your threshold. Let's just assume 500. Okay, then we don't want to be paid by check because we are actually not in that country. Now we are going to use direct deposit. So if you want to be paid weekly or every 2 weeks, you choose it. Now direct deposit information, this is where you input your bank. Okay, which country is your bank? Let's see. Austria. You can see Austria here. These are all countries that they can pay you through direct deposits. Slovenia, Singapore, Romania, all these countries, Portugal, Poland, Philippines. Okay, so Australia, you choose Australia. Citibank, you put it. Then payment currency, you see euros. You put your bank name, you put your IBAN, you put your Swift or BIC number, checkings, then you save. Once you've done all this and you save it and it is saved successfully, once you earn on Clickbank, now take note, you have to make up to 5 sales on Clickbank before you can withdraw from Clickbank. Right, 5 good sales within a month, or within the space of 3 months, or a month or 3 months before you can withdraw from Clickbank. So once you put in your payment details and you're up to that threshold that you set, either 10, 25, 50, 100, whichever you set, you can make. But for direct deposit, I believe you must reach up to 250 or 500, okay, before they can send you a direct deposit. Okay, so that is it for today's video. For this video, I'm sure you've learned how to add your payment details into your Clickbank account to receive payment from the Clickbank platform. If you like this video and you find value in this video, please do not forget to like my video, okay, share my video, all right, subscribe if you're new to this channel, subscribe and click the bell button because more videos are dropping. I'm dropping more videos constantly to help you make money legitimately online. Also take note that this channel do not support any fraudulent activity, so whatever information we're providing on this channel is based on facts and our own experience. Okay,
we promote legitimate business that you can do and make money legitimately. And also the result that you get is not typical, okay, because your results may varies from my own result, because I cannot determine the effort that you can put if it equals my own effort or someone else effort. Okay, so take note of that. Again, do not forget to comment the country that you're watching my video from. Drop it in the comment section. I want to know where you're watching my videos from. Okay, so that will be it for today's video training. Thank you for watching. Tune in back for the follow-up of this training series. All right, tune in for the follow-up of this training series. Thank you for watching. Lucky Ato here.